Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to show you how to change wiper blades on any vehicle. Thanks for joining me. My wife said that her Passat needs some new wiper blades, so I am off to what she called the wiper blade store to pick her up some new blades, and I'll show you how to install these, and this will work on any vehicle. All right, so here I am at the auto parts store. I'm going to run inside and get those wiper blades. So there are a couple of different ways that these connect onto the vehicle with the wiper arms. The Passat has these little buttons that you just push to take the blades on and off. Other cars like my Mustang and the Jeep have what's called a J-hook, and then that wiper blade just slides into that. Unfortunately, the wiper blades that I got at the first auto parts store, and none of the adapters actually worked for the Passat. So I returned those, and I gotta go to another parts store to see if I can find ones that will actually work with the Passat. Okay, so I am at auto parts store number 2, and hopefully they have something that'll fit the car. So the second auto parts store that I went to is really what I was expecting. The parts were in stock that I needed. The guy even came out and installed them for me, and that was really nice, because if someone, you know, is out there not real mechanically inclined or feels like they have the skill to change out the wiper blades, this is a place that you could go and you know, they would take care of you. So that was really impressive that they were able to still do that. You know, the other auto parts store that I went to, they used to do that, so I'm not sure if it's something they've changed recently for, you know, who knows what reason, but kind of disappointing on that end at that first auto parts store. But the second auto parts store that I went to really did what I was hoping. Oh. Very good. Thank you. So as you can see, my timing is impeccable as it has begun to rain. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, give it a share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.